What is participative budgeting? Well, to start with, participating budgeting is, as the name implies, participation in the budgeting process by individuals who are at a lower level in the organization. Traditionally, it has meant that you are including managers at various operational levels, all the way down to the frontline managers, to include them in the budgeting process. Generally, this is considered the direct opposite of imposed budgeting, where you set a budget and you push it down on individuals and you tell them this is their budget. Rather, you include them in that process so they have input, they have buy-in when the time for execution of the budget comes into play. Now, one of the main benefits of this is for everyone involved in the planning process, it provides a sense of ownership, which has been proven to be a source of motivation. So that level of acceptance is, again, a motivating factor for buy-in. Okay. Generally, another effect is that it tends to be the most effective means or measure for actually identifying a budget that is achievable, because these are the individuals who have firsthand or the best knowledge of the cost drivers and the use of resources within operations. So their input tends to have more value than simply looking at historical data, for example, to try to make projections about current or future budget needs. Okay, the benefits, again, transfer of information goes upward, okay, rather than being pushed down, higher employee motivation, and then with the buy-in, you get uniform goals across the organization. There's that commonality of understanding and objective. There are a couple of drawbacks, being that that's a time-consuming process. It's a lot faster and easier for top-level management to set a budget and just to push it down. But then again, there are negative effects there. Another one is budgetary slack. That is, you involve people in the process of setting their own budget. Well, they're going to tend to ask for more resources and project lower output as a result of it, so that they can more easily exceed their targets or objectives, okay, so that they don't miss or undershoot or something like that. So anyway, these are the benefits and the drawbacks, but this is the approach and effect of participative budgeting.